How to fix Instagram mention not working. So for example, if you open up your Instagram application and if you go to your story, and after choosing your story, if you tap to add someone, or if you tap to mention someone on your story, and if you're not being able to add someone, then the first thing you need to know is the person or the ID that you're adding to your story must be activated at that moment. So if that person has deactivated their account, then you won't be able to add that person. So that's the first thing. And even after that, if that still doesn't fix, then you have to make sure that your app is up to date, or if you have a stable internet connection or not. So check your Wi-Fi or check your data connection, and then you can open up your Play Store, search for Instagram, and after searching, if you have an update, then you have to have the updated version or the latest version of Instagram. And even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then open up your settings and go for apps and notifications, and open up your Instagram application, and now go for storage and cache, and then go for clear cache, and that's it. Now the last fix, if these all fixes doesn't work, then the last fix is to uninstall your application, or clear the storage of your Instagram application, and after uninstalling, you can again install it from your Google Play Store, and then you can log into your account. And that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.